the script called photoupload.php in the admin area. That script presents a web form. In this web form, there is a hidden form field called max file size. The purpose of this video is to let you know the information that helped me decide what to set the value of max file size to be. Just as a visual, I'm going to go into that file to show you what it looks like. I wrote a lot of comments about max file size within this file. Let me page down. We are using a variable to set the value of max file size. By the way, while you see this on the screen, you should note that this many bytes is the number of bytes in a megabyte of memory. And the value of max file size needs to be specified in bytes. Let me scroll down some more. This is the form field here. It's a hidden form field, and its name is max file size. And its value will be the value of that variable that we're going to set at the top. However, I may not show you in this video me assigning the value of that variable. But this video is more about the background information which helped me arrive at the figure to assign to that variable. Let's go to another visual. The configuration for my PHP in my custom.ini, I believe that was the name of the file that contained this information. I set these three memory-related values: memory limit, post max size, and upload max file size. And I had set them all to 640. I'm planning on changing that. Okay, now I'm going to go over the notes. So based on PHP ini, what should I set my max file size to be? That's the question. Remember, this is the variable that's inside my script. And this is what was in my PHP ini. Memory limit is the maximum amount of memory that a script is allowed to allocate. Post max size is the maximum size of post data allowed. Upload max file size is the maximum size of an uploaded file. This one, upload max file size, actually corresponds to the value I'm going to be setting. So whatever I set this one to, the other one in my script, which is called max file size instead of upload max file size, that one is going to be pretty much the same value. So what is the size of the largest video file I've ever uploaded? It was 490 megabytes. How much memory does my production server have? I ran a command which I found at a particular website. Okay, here is the page. Down here, I believe this was the most useful command. meminfo. This was the command that I ran. This was one of them, and the other one I ran was this one, which is free with a -m so that it gives me numbers in megabytes. Okay, so using that, I was able to find that I had 336 megabytes free. The physical memory was almost a gigabyte. It was 969 megabytes. And there was unused swap, which I guess that's the part of the hard disk that's used to store memory, was 1,906 megabytes. So there's 2 gigabytes of swap and 1 gigabyte of physical. So altogether 3 gigabytes. But the free physical memory was 336 megabytes. Therefore, what should my settings be? There's 4 settings. There's the ones in my configuration for PHP, and then there's the one for the form field in the HTML. I decided that the best values would be the ones listed here. Memory limit 330 meg, post max size 315 meg, upload max file size 305 meg, and max file size in the HTML to 304 meg. I'm going to go and take care of making these settings happen in my environment, especially the production environment. I won't be recording that in this video. And that's it for this video.